So for Friday's game, Nick Dacus will captain the Anzac Day clash because of Darcy Moore being injured. So basically, he'll be the youngest captain for the first time in Collingwood's history in 57 years, according to the Post. Now, I've seen a lot of people making fun about this on the X app. Like, one, if you're not a Collingwood supporter, then go comment on your own club's post. Why are you commenting on my club's post? Two, if you're a Collingwood supporter and you're basically berating this, just go away. You don't have to watch the game on Friday. And three, a choice is a choice.